Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5. We are discussing our chapter 2, Food, Health and Disease. We have discovered communicable diseases and our health topic. Now we will start with non-communicable diseases. These are the diseases that do not spread from one person to another. It means an infected person cannot spread it to a healthy individual. They are not caused by germs. For example, diabetes, cancer and heart diseases are some of the diseases that are non-communicable in nature. Now you may ask how these diseases are caused. Well, diabetes is caused by eating excess amount of sugar in our daily diet. Smoking or excess of smoking can lead to lung cancer, and eating extra fat or foods rich in fat can lead to heart diseases. Now we will discuss another topic under non-communicable disease, that is deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases are caused when the body does not get sufficient nutrients that it requires, meaning the amount of nutrients is low in the diet, and such a person suffers from deficiency disease. First deficiency disease that we are going to study today is scurvy. Scurvy is caused by lack of vitamin C in our diet. Now, how will you know if someone is suffering from scurvy? They will have swollen and bleeding gums. This is one of the major symptoms of a disease, scurvy. It can be cured or prevented by eating citrus fruits. Now, what are citrus fruits? Fruits that contain a lot of pulp and juice is known as citrus fruit, like lime, lemon, orange, tomato, amla, etc. So by eating these fruits, a person can overcome a disease known as scurvy. Now the next deficiency disease is night blindness. Now as the name indicates, night blindness, the person suffering from it is unable to see at night or in dim light. It is caused by lack of vitamin A in our diet and can be cured or prevented by eating diet that is rich in vitamin A. The sources of vitamin A are carrot, green leafy vegetables like spinach and fishes. The third deficiency disease is rickets. Ricket is caused by lack of vitamin D and calcium in our diet. Both calcium and vitamin D are required to make our bones strong. In their absence, the bones become soft and twisted. So this is the symptom of disease ricket. In absence of vitamin D and calcium, our bones become soft and twisted. To cure the disease, we must take food rich in calcium and vitamin D like fish, butter, ghee, milk, eggs, etc. Next disease is anemia. Anemia is a lack of iron in our body. The symptoms of anemia include paleness. Now, paleness means loss of color from the skin. Our skin generally has a pinkish or any defined color. When there is lack of iron, the skin becomes pale or loses its color. The person becomes very tired or gets tired easily. The nails also become flat and pale, and the skin becomes patchy. Now to cure anemia, we should take food rich in iron like green vegetables, which include peas, spinach and others, fish, egg, meat, fruits like apples and cereals as well as nuts. The last disease is goiter. Goiter is caused by lack of iodine in the body. The symptoms include swelling in the neck region of the patient. It can be cured by eating food that is mainly seafood, because seafood contains a high amount of iodized salt. So by eating iodized salt, the amount of iodine will be covered up by the body.